guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this very easy peasy graphic liner look inspired by my shirt. So I'm starting off with the primer. So this is the primer that I'm using, Inside 3-in-1 primer. And yeah, I'm gonna concentrate this onto my T-zone and wherever I have the large pores. And after this, I'm using this camouflage concealer and contour palette to slightly correct the under eyes. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm starting off with the concealer. This is the one from Insight. It is their 2x Cover Master Concealer in the shade 01. And I will use it as my eyeshadow base or a primer basically. I will just blend it with the same brush I used for the corrector. And I'm gonna set this with a setting powder from Color Essence. And then I'm gonna pick up this kohl pencil from My Glam in the shade Noir and I will apply it onto the eyelids. So this is how I have applied it. And after this, I'm gonna take this white liner from Cuffs and Lashes and I will just do the wing part. Plus I'll add some on the crease area as well. So yeah, that's done. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution X Tummy palette. And yeah, after that, I'm going to take the same concealer we used earlier and going to clean the areas over the liner. So yeah. And with that, our eyes are almost done. Now onto the base, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 and 230. I will mix them both to kind of find my best possible shade. So yeah. Dotting it all over the face and then taking this buffing brush and blending it all out. And do not ever forget your neck because you want to look like the same person, okay? Again, using the same concealer to highlight under the eyes and bridge of the nose, some on the chin and around my mouth. And now to set the whole face, I'm using the Color Essence HD powder again. For the lower lash line, I'm using this black eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution X Tummy palette. And onto the blush, I'm using this My Glam K-Play flavored blush in the shade Strawberry 02. Applying it onto the apple of the cheeks and nose, chin and a little bit on the forehead as well. For the highlighter, I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter and look at that. Oh my god, I love it. Applying it all over my face. Not really, you can see wherever I'm applying, right? Yeah. For the lips, I use this My Glam lip crayon in the shade Passion And onto this I use the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color in the shade 11. And now to set the whole makeup in place, I'm using this ADS setting spray. As usual, I had to forget something, so I forgot the mascara and now I'm applying it. So this is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So yeah, coating my lashes with that mascara just to complete the whole look. And voila, we're done. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love it, as you can totally tell. And yeah, just to kind of complete the whole look, I did this ponytail and wore these beautiful statement earrings I got from CP. So yeah, let me know how you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and do comment down below your views. I'm really sorry for how my hair looks in the entire video. I hate them too. Bye guys, see you soon.